In this video, we will explore the complex relationship between deportation and probation, especially focusing on individuals who are deported by Immigration and Customs Enforcement (ICE) after being on probation for a felony in the United States. Here is an overview of the topics we will cover in this video. We will discuss the implications of deportation on probation, delve into the complexities due to international agreements, explore how different types of crimes may affect future re-entry into the United States, and emphasize the importance of legal consultation. When an individual is deported after being on probation for a felony, it generally results in the end of their probation in the United States. This is because deportation physically removes them from the U.S., making it impractical to continue serving probation terms here. However, this is not absolute, and there are scenarios where agreements between countries might come into play, affecting the probation terms. Let's delve deeper into how probation and deportation intersect legally. First, when someone is deported, their probation often ends, as fulfilling probation terms from another country is impractical. However, extraditing an individual to serve the remainder of their probation in U.S. prisons is quite rare. International agreements might influence this, and hence, consulting with both immigration lawyers and criminal defense attorneys is paramount for anyone facing such a complex scenario. Now let's test your understanding with a quiz question. What generally happens to probation when an individual is deported from the United States? Is it A, it ends immediately; B, it continues in the deported country; C, extradition is arranged for probation; or D, it depends on international agreements? You may pause the video now to think about the answer, and we will discuss the answer in the next section. If you answered, it ends immediately, you're correct. Deportation typically signals the end of probation, as it's not feasible to continue serving probation terms outside the U.S. However, there are exceptions depending on international agreements. The nature of the original crime can play a pivotal role in the individual's future ability to re-enter the United States. If the offense involved drugs, or was of a serious nature, it could permanently bar re-entry, as U.S. immigration laws are stringent in this regard. It's crucial for individuals facing deportation and probation issues to seek legal advice. The first step should be to contact an immigration attorney. Next, consulting with a criminal defense lawyer is essential to discuss the specifics of the crime and the remaining terms of the probation. Understanding U.S. immigration laws thoroughly will help in assessing the possibility of re-entry in the future. The implications of deportation and probation situations can be quite complex. On one hand, agreements between countries might influence whether an individual can be extradited back to serve their remaining probation. This usually varies with the seriousness of the crime. On the other hand, deportation generally ends probation and can enforce a permanent bar on re-entry for serious offenses like drug-related crimes. Let's summarize what we've covered in this video. Deportation generally signals the end of probation in the U.S. It's rare for extradition to serve probation in another country. The severity of the original crime affects prospects for future re-entry into the U.S., and it's crucial to seek legal consultations to understand the situation fully. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it informative and helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We would also love to hear your thoughts and comments below.